RBLX stock analysis and RBLX stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in this space that has actually gone and made 40,000 videos like these, the only guy, and it's actually taken me 5 years. So I've seen what's making me money, what's not. Pulling back, this is where it all began with the bullish side for me, with Roblox. You can see even like in this video demonstration proof here. Right, at the time, 7 months back, 21st of October, it was 40 bucks, right? And went from 35, 40, now it's 85. So that's like double. And I'm here to tell you that even like the most recent prediction that I got from the long side here was correct. Right, it is this video 3 weeks ago, and here's when it was made actually. It was actually very nice, and I'm here to tell you that the bullish side of things has not changed, and I'm still looking to double down on this. Ideally the price, well, you know, sort of pulls down and gives me some sort of a double break, but like randomly getting involved, man, it's not going to be happening. So only if I see the rules taking place, only then I'm buying. So I'll continue to keep you updated. So this, if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.